Hello students, after learning multiples, factors and prime numbers, let us take another topic based on this, which is prime factorization. Any number greater than 1 and which is not a prime can be represented as the product of prime numbers. For example, the number 120, we can factorize it as 10 into 12. Now 10 and 12 both are composite numbers, they are not prime numbers. So further we can factorize 10 as 2 times 5 and 12 as 2 times 6. Now 6 is still not a prime number, so that can be factorized as 2 times 3. So this is the factorization of 120, and we keep on doing factorization till we get prime numbers at the end. Now there is another way where we can factorize 120. So in the first step we can write 120 as 15 times 8, where both of them are not prime numbers. 15 can be factorized as 3 times 5 and 8 can be factorized as 2 times 4, and 4 can be further factorized into prime numbers as 2 times 2. So a number can be represented as a product of prime numbers, and this representation is unique for every number except for the order of the factors. Now there is an alternate method to find the prime factorization of any number which is not a prime number and it is greater than 1. If we take the same number 120 and we start with the smallest prime number and try to divide 120. So smallest prime number is 2, and when we divide 120 by 2, we get 60. Now further 60 can also be divided by 2 and it will give 30. Still 30 is an even number, so can be divided by 2 to give 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2, so we go on to next prime number, which is 3. So dividing 15 by 3 we get 5, and then 5 is divisible by next prime number, that is 5 itself, giving the quotient 1. So this is an alternate method to find the prime factorization of any given number starting from the smallest prime number. Now this method can be applied simultaneously for 2 or more than 2 numbers, and that would be helpful in finding HCF and LCM of the given numbers. Suppose we have 60 and 75, two given numbers. Now we check that these two numbers are divisible by 5. So on dividing 60 by 5 we get 12 as the quotient, and on dividing 75 by 5 we get 15 as the quotient. Now these two numbers 12 and 15 are divisible by 3. So dividing 12 by 3 we get 4, and dividing 15 by 3 we get 5. Now 4 and 5 do not have any common factor other than 1. So the common factors of 60 and 75 are 5 and 3, and the product of these two numbers will give the HCF of 60 and 75. And the product of these two common numbers along with the remaining factors, that is 4 and 5, will give the LCM of the given two numbers. So LCM of 60 and 75 is 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5, that is 300. Thank you.